Hi, if you are watching this video, I guess you must love nature, just like me. I love to share with you my passion for plants and the outdoors. I'm a Thai landscape designer living in Auckland, New Zealand, and I've called Chatswood my home for about 10 years now. Here we have Chatswood Reserve, which covers about one-tenth of this little suburb. Come walk with me today. Let's discover what's hidden inside the reserve. Most of the New Zealand native trees are evergreen. They stay lush and green all year round and don't shed their leaves, even in the colder seasons. One of the largest trees in the world, kauri, majestically standing the tallest and largest. This ancient species is also one of the longest living trees in the world. They could live for thousands of years. There's a nikau, the famous native palm. The panga, a giant tree fern, is another iconic part of New Zealand forest. Many native birds live and feed in this reserve, raising their families happily with plentiful food here. I'm sure you can hear them singing. It is very humid in the bush, and with the canopy of big trees above, makes it perfect for moths to thrive. The forest floor and tree trunks are covered with this beautiful moss everywhere. I just love it. But honestly, my favorite thing here is listening to the sound of the streams flowing through the bush. It's the most calming, soothing, and peaceful thing ever. Oh, I think I spotted a tree there. Let's see if we can get a closer look. Well, I hope you enjoy my first video. Let me know your comments. You would like me to share more about New Zealand's nature, about garden design, or I could share my houseplant collection. That would be fun. I also love indoor houseplants as well. I'm really excited about this journey. I have lots to share with you guys. Well, until next time, take care.